We came to solve another kind of question. Um, Write 5 pair of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Um, First identify the question, means read the question. Understand? Now we need to write 5 pair of prime numbers, which means we need to write one pair. Likewise, we need to write 5 pair of prime numbers less than 20. Okay, and it should be less than 20 and whose sum is divisible by 5, means when we add this number plus this number, both numbers, the sum should be divisible by 5, which means when sum is divided by 5, the remainder should be 0. Okay, that is what it means. Actually, they have given the hint also. 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So if you add both, 10 will come, and 10 is divisible by 5. How? 10 when divided by 5, 10 twos are 5 twos are 10, remainder will be 0. Okay, then we can say 10 is divisible by 5. Understand the concept, right? Okay, now for the first thing, we will list out all the prime numbers less than 20. Okay, then we can write answer very easily. So prime numbers less than 20. What are the prime numbers less than 20? 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the numbers which are less than 20. Okay. Now we need to take two numbers. We need to take two numbers and we try to add them and check whether the sum is divisible by 5 or not. Actually, I forgot to write 2. 2 is also a prime number, that you should keep in mind. A prime number is a number which has factors 1 or itself, 1 and itself. Okay. Now we check 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Is 5 divisible by 5? Yes. So 2 comma 3 is one combination. Then 2 plus 3 is same as 3 plus 2. So there is no need to write 2 times. Okay. Then 3 plus 5, it will come 8, but it is not divisible by 10. Then take 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. That is true. Okay. Or 7 plus 3, both are same. So you can write 3 comma 7. Then 5 and 7, 5 plus 7 will be 12. 12 is not divisible by 5, so leave it. And 7 and 11, 7 plus 11, 18, not divisible, so leave it. Then you check this, 7 and 13. Okay, 7 plus 13 is equals to 20, and 20 is divisible by 5 because 5 into 4 is equals to 20. So this will be also another pair, 7 comma 13. Okay. Likewise, check this, 3 and 17. 3 and 17. 3 plus 17 is also equal to 20, which is also divisible by 5, right? 3 plus 70 equal to 20, with 20 divisible by 5. So another combination will be 3 comma 17. Another combination, you check this and this, 13 and 17. 13 plus 17 equal to 30, and 30 also divisible by 5. Why? Because you see here 5, 30, 6 are 30, remainder 0. Whenever remainder 0 is coming, then we can say that this number is divisible by this number. Okay, so 30 is divisible by 5. So you can write here 13 comma 17, and if you want you can take this 1 and 19. Okay, 1 plus 19 equal to 20, which is also divisible by 5. So 1 comma 19 you can write. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. 6 pairs, out of which 1 is hint, so leave it. So remaining we want to write 5 pairs, we have written. So finally this will be the answer. Okay, you understand the procedure in which how I am solving the question, right? This is not that much difficult, By the same way, this is not that much easy. Why? Because I'll tell you, now we have enough time, we will solve. But in the exam, that will be for a duration of 1 hour, in case it is assignment or unit test. Whereas if you take the final exam, it will be like 2 hour or 2.5 hour. Within that restricted time, you need to answer all the questions. Okay? Anyone will solve the question if they give you enough time. But in the restricted time, you need to solve means you need to take the numbers, add immediately, and check the with the condition whether it is divisible or not. Likewise, you need to select different combination of numbers. There it will take some time. So to avoid that wastage of time, you need to practice before the exam. Like now onwards, you start practicing. Whenever you find time, you try to add two numbers, try to multiply two numbers, try to subtract two numbers. Then the speed of the multiplication, speed of the addition, subtraction will be drastically increase. Okay, so it will be like a practice match. Normally what happens when cricket, when it is about to play a series, okay, they'll have a practice match, right? Likewise in exams also, before attending direct exam, you need to practice a lot. Okay, how much practice you are doing, the time will be reduced in exam that much. Okay, thank you.